Hey everyone, it's Cameron with themoneyventure.com, where I discuss best practices on investing, personal finance, and building money-making businesses. Today we're going to talk about 8 different types of investments that you can use to build your wealth. Different investments have different risks, different benefits, and different potential rewards. What you choose to invest your money in for the long term will largely determine your overall success. The best way to start is to pick an investment vehicle that you like, that you understand, and that meets your overall financial objective. What do I mean by that? Well, someone investing to save for retirement might invest their money completely differently than someone that's investing to save for a down payment on a house. The 8 different types of investments are stocks, bonds, real estate, peer-to-peer lending, small businesses, commodities, cryptocurrency, and insurance. Shares of stock are shares of ownership in a company. When you own shares of stock, you own a piece of that company. Shares of publicly traded companies are listed on major stock exchanges like the New York Stock Exchange or the NASDAQ. Much like you go to the grocery store to purchase groceries, you go to a stock exchange to purchase stocks. You can choose to invest in individual stocks or invest in a fund of companies. To invest in a fund of companies, you can purchase an investment vehicle on the stock market called an exchange-traded fund or a mutual fund. Stocks are probably the most well-known type of investing. You can invest in stocks by opening an investment account with a bank or popular investing app like Robinhood or M1 Finance. Bonds are loans. If a business needs to raise more capital to grow or fund a project, but they perhaps don't want to sell shares of their company, they may issue bonds. You, the investor, can purchase bonds in exchange to receive regular payments on a stated basis from that company. You can also purchase exchange-traded funds that are comprised entirely of just bonds. Real estate is land or property. Because the amount of land or property available in the world is limited, its value increases as it becomes more scarce, among many other factors that also determine its value. Real estate investing has many different approaches. You can buy multiple houses with expectations of their values increasing over time to later sell those houses for a profit. You can also purchase multiple houses with plans to rent them out to rentees who need a place to live and make money from the residual rental payments. You can also purchase what's called a real estate investment trust, or a REIT for short, which are companies that pool its investors' money together to invest in real estate properties for them. Peer-to-peer lending is another way to invest in loans. If I need money to renovate my home, I may go to a peer-to-peer lending platform like Prosper or Lending Club to find investors like you who are willing to lend me money. Prosper or Lending Club will facilitate the transaction and do a lot of the vetting for investors to make sure they know what they're investing in and who they're investing in. The investor then receives regular loan payments as interest from the borrower until the loan is paid off. Investing in small businesses means that you're using your own money to either launch your own company or become a shareholder of another private business who needs startup funds. You then own a designated percentage of that business, much like a stock. You can source out small business investments with platforms like NextSeed, Seed Invest, or Micro Ventures. Investing in commodities means investing in raw materials like oil, gold, silver, copper, natural gas, wheat, etc. There are also funds available comprised only of commodities. Much like real estate, commodities are also limited in the quantity available. So, the less quantity available of that commodity there is, the higher the value of that commodity is likely to increase. Cryptocurrency is a digital form of money to be used as digital currency. Examples include Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Ripple. Each of these are digital currencies used as a means of exchange using blockchain technology. You can purchase cryptocurrency on popular platforms like Coinbase or Robinhood. Insurance companies offer many investment products that are meant to take risk away from investors and provide them steady growth. Examples of insurance investments are life insurance and annuities. Cash value life insurance policies provide benefits of life insurance while also building a cash value ownership of the policy death benefit, which often grows at a stated guaranteed rate, for example, 2%. The cash value in the policy can be borrowed against or withdrawn to be used as needed. Annuities are insurance products that investors put money into with a guarantee of a stated recurring payment for a stated period of time. I may invest or put $100,000 into an annuity because that annuity contract guarantees that it will pay me $10,000 per year for a designated period of time, say 10 or even 12 or even 15 years. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up located just below the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button below to be the first ones notified about our latest content.